Hi students, good morning. I think you all are waiting for science class. Today onwards, we will study about the science subject. Your first lesson is crop production and management. Before studying this chapter, you must know about the food. What is food? Food is the substance which nourishes our body, or food is the substance which gives us energy, or food is the substance which helps for the growth of our body. In the food, there are varieties of food substances are there. Some are prepare their own food, which prepare their own food, they are called autotrophs, and which are depending on the another organism for their food, they are called heterotrophs. We are getting food from the plants. You know, plants are the autotrophs because they prepare their own food. And we are growing the plants, or we are calling as the crops. They are growing in the field. You know who is the backbone of our India?
ನೇಗಿಲ ಹಿಡಿದ ಹೊಲದಳು ಹಾಡುತ್ತ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಗಿಲ ಹಿಡಿದ ಹೊಲದಳು ಹಾಡುತ್ತ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಫಲವನ್ನು ಬಯಸದ ಸೇವೆಯ ಪೂಜೆಯು ಕರ್ಮವೇ ಇಹಪರ ಸಾಧನವೋ ಕಷ್ಟದೊಳನ್ನವ ದುಡಿವನ ತ್ಯಾಗಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ನಿಯಮದೊಳಗವನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳುವ ಯೋಗಿಯ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ
Farmers are the backbone of our India. Okay, now we will study about the crops. Before that, you just watch this video.
Friends, have you ever looked at a groundnut plant? Can we call it a crop? No, we cannot. Do you know the fact that when same types of plants are grown at a large scale, then it is called a crop? If you wish to grow a pea plant in the hot season, you can't do it. Do you know the reason behind it? In India, crops are broadly classified into two categories on the basis of the season they are grown in. That is, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Rabi crops are usually grown in the winter season from October to March. Wheat, gram and peas are the examples of Rabi crop. Kharif crops are usually sown in the rainy season, generally from June to September. Paddy, maize, groundnut, etc. are some common examples of Kharif crop.
Just now you saw the video, students. What you learned from that video? Just in that we studied about the crops. See, agricultural practices. In that first one is crops. Crop means when plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, they are called crop. For example, wheat, jowar, paddy. Understood? What is crop? Crop means when plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, they are called as a crop. Now, we will study about the different types of crops. Students, different types of crops are growing in our country. See, India is the vast country because in our country, the climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, rainfall, these are vary from region to region. So, according to these climatic conditions, we are growing two types of crops. They are Kharif crops and another one is the Rabi crops. Kharif crops are growing in the rainy season in the month of June to September. For example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. These crops are growing in the rainy season, so they are called kharif crops. And another one is the rabi crops. Rabi crops means which are growing in the winter season, in the month of October to March. For example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard. These crops are growing in the winter season, so they are called rabi crops. Understood, friends? Now we will study about the basic practices of crop production. In that, first section is agricultural practices. Agricultural practices, in that we have to study about the preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. There are 7 points are there. They are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, storage. These all are agricultural practices. Now we will study one by one detail. Okay.